Hey everybody, what is up? I'm super pumped right now, and I'm gonna tell you guys why just after this. Alright guys, for those that don't know what's going on, for those of you who don't know yet, I've launched Import Unlimited and it's going really well. I want to take the time to thank all you guys that have been buying things on Import Unlimited. If you haven't checked it out yet, you have to. If you have an is300, you definitely got to check it out. Just go to the description and there's going to be a link on there and it'll send you right to the eBay store that we have. So yeah, we're selling tons of parts. We're getting parts from everywhere, and we're selling them. And you know, you guys have been buying them like crazy. So JD right now is looking for parts all over. Find the best deals. We're trying to wrap up some things for you guys that have is300s. So that's what's going on right now. I'm also pumped. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm wearing our first ever apparel ONS shirt. So they're really cool. They're really nice. Now the bad news is sweaters are all sold out. Shirts are almost sold out too. I think there's only 2 or 3 more left and they're completely sold out. So it's gonna be another few more weeks until we get some more. So that's the bad thing about that. But anyways, I have so many other things to say, but I have to run really quick. It's 2 o'clock. I have to run really quick and get a battery for my Mazda because I need to start that car. It's already been forever. I want to start working on the car, and then I also need to get my brake pads changed, the rear on the is300. I also need to ship a few other parts that I have to do, and then I also have a friend that's wanting to come later, and then I gotta help him. I'm gonna plastic dip his bumper and stuff like that for him. So there's tons of things happening right now. Hopefully we get some of that stuff done. Alright, by the way guys, so this is the shirt here, official one Samuel, and it's got the panda right there. It says just do it yourself, because that's what I'm about. Just do things yourself, you know, working on your car. And then it's got some Japanese letters there. They're the same channel, they're just in Japanese, so check them out. Hopefully I get some back in a few weeks. Alright man, I got a good deal here. I got an interstate battery with 3 months warranty, super cheap as well. It was between this one and a bigger one, but I wanted to go with it's about 10 pounds lighter than the other one. Right there man, this is what's up. So too bad it's all sold out, but just look every week or two, maybe we'll have some more sweaters by then, if they're not sold out. Subway. So I got my battery already, got some Subway, looking fresh. And as far as parts, not everything is gonna be posted yet. There's a lot of parts that still need to be posted online. We're working on it, so get back maybe in a few more days when you guys want to get more parts. The parts are going by really quick. For the moment of truth, let's find out if it starts my car or not. 3 months since I started the car. As you guys already know, this is going to be my track/street race car. So let's see if we can even get this started. Snap man, the cable's not long, just a high battery. We're gonna put it on the side for now. It's super dirty. Gotta make sure it's got some coolant. I'm just gonna test it out, so I'm just using water right now. What the heck, guys? That's weird. Alright, anyways, so I don't have a seat. I'm gonna be getting a seat very soon here. But let's see what happens, guys. Moment of truth. I think the clutch went out. Oh snap. The clutch went out on me. Damn. Yeah, the clutch. the clutch is not engaged, so that sucks, man. I went and go get a battery, got my hopes up for this, for nothing. Regardless if it started or not, I'm gonna go ahead and just take this engine apart maybe sometime next week. I hope so. I'll see if I can get Danny G to help me. So I'm gonna take this engine apart. I got another one inside from Japan. We're gonna swap this baby up. We're gonna get it running. We're gonna make some power. I might boost it, might go nitrous. Not sure, but I know I'm gonna do something with it. I'm gonna have to extend the wires. But don't worry, guys. I got something for you guys. It's coming. Not today, but once it gets running, it's gonna be a beast. Dude, I couldn't get my car started, man. Say what's up to the vlog. Well, guys, I'm just over here with Miguel, and I knew it was gonna get really dark on us, but it was gonna be really harder to dry it. But we had to use a hair dryer. First time plastic dipping a bumper, and I have to admit it came out really nice. At first I didn't think it was gonna really come out like this, but the edges are really hard when you're masking it with the tape, because sometimes when you're taking off that tape, you have to be very careful. It could just peel right off. So sometimes you have to do it twice and you have to repaint it. What about the other one? So we have the other one on the table. So for all you that have a Scion TCs, try it out. Do something different. It's the next day now. Yesterday it got pretty dark on me, so I couldn't do the brake pads, but I gotta get that done today. So I'm gonna be using some ceramic brake pads. Finally, after months of wanting to do that, so I want to get this done really quick. The needle nose pliers to get these out. Make sure you don't lose those. So you're gonna need to pop this clip up. That gives you enough so you can take this pin out right here easily. Like this, and then that should just pop up just like that. Oh man, guys, look at that. There's nothing on here. This is terrible. I've been wanting to do this for the past 2 months, but I hadn't had time. I've been so busy. I already got the front ones done already, but the back ones are really bad. They've been squealing back here. Sure, you guys never let this happen. Look at this. Same thing. Before you guys put those brake pads on there, you want to make sure you clean your rotors very good. So before you press down those pistons, make sure you take out the brake fluid cap off. Alright guys, so I already pressed back the brake pistons. It was much easier to do it with these pliers than, you know, with your flips, screwdriver, whatever. And go ahead and lubricate this side right here, just like this. Should fit right in there. So next to put this in, you're gonna just already have it, the clip laying on there. You can't, it won't come back in, so you're gonna have to press this clip all the way inside with a screwdriver. Alright, the pin is already in, and then we're just going to put this back in there. Make sure that doesn't come back out. Clip does pop back out. All you have to do is hammer it in and pull it back inside. So sometimes it does want to pop back up, but it should be good right there. And then we'll give it one last cleaning. Just make sure, guys, before you pop out, slide out the pin, make sure the clip, you press it in so it can take pressure from the pin, make it much easier to slide out. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So I'm just gonna do that to the other side and I'll be finished. Time when doing it and you'll get it right. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm all finished up. We'll see you guys very soon. So the link is in the description. Again, if you have an is300, do check it out. And we're still waiting on some more shirts and sweaters, so hopefully by the next 2 weeks that should be good. So we'll see you guys then. Bye.